welcome to my channel VK Voice. Today in this session we are going to discuss chapter number 2, work, energy and power. So if I ask you a question, what is work? Your answer will be you are thinking, you are eating, you are walking. So many answers you will give that this is work. Now in physics, how the work is defined? For that I am just giving you an example. Suppose I apply a force on this board, but board is not getting displaced. So I am doing effort, but I am not doing any work. Why? Because this board is not getting displaced. So two things are required. One is effort, that is force. Second is displacement. So if a body get displaced in the direction of force applied, then work is said to be done. So two things: force applied, body get displaced. So that is known as work. So keep it in your mind. Two things are required: force and displacement. Now, how you will measure? Simple thing. You can measure work with the help of these two factors: force and displacement. Now, next thing is, what is the mathematical expression for work? Mathematical expression for work is W equal to F S cos of theta, where F is the force, S is the displacement, and theta is the angle between force and displacement. Now, how this formula I have derived? The derivation of this formula is very simple. First of all, in the definition I told you, when the body get displaced in the direction of force, but it may not be there in some cases. For example, I am having suppose an inclined plane I am having, and suppose a body is over here. I apply the force in this direction. This is the direction of the force, and the body will get displaced in this direction. Body will get displaced in this direction. This is the displacement. Now you can see force and displacement are not in the same direction. So what I will do? I will just take the component of the displacement which is in the direction of a force. That means I will take the component of displacement. Now suppose this angle is theta, and the component of displacement I want over here. Suppose this is A and this is B, this is C. Now if I take this triangle ABC, then in triangle ABC, cos of theta is equal to, as you know, cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. Here base is AB, so cos theta is AB upon hypotenuse AC, which means AB is equal to AC cos theta. That means now you know A to C is displacement. Suppose this is S, so is equal to S cos theta. So AB is equal to S cos theta. Now what is AB? AB is the component of displacement which is in the direction of force. So I have just determined the component of displacement in the direction of force. Now what will be the work done? Work done will be, as you know, force multiplied by component of displacement in the direction of force. Component of displacement in the direction of force. Now you can see over here AB is equal to, work done is equal to force F multiplied by component is S cos of theta. So work done is equal to F S cos of theta. So in this way I just take the component of displacement. We can also take the component of force in the direction of displacement. That we can do. If I take the same diagram but I resolve the force only, in that case again I am drawing this diagram like this. So here your body is there, body is over here, again it get displaced, and again the direction of force is like this. This angle is theta, so this angle is also theta. Draw perpendicular. So this is A, B, C, and here suppose this is P, this is N. So displacement again is over here, displacement in this direction, S is in this direction. So the component of the force, this force in the direction of displacement is this. So I will calculate this NA. What is NA? Again I am taking the triangle PAN. In triangle PAN, now again cos of theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. So base is over here, I am having this NA upon PA, which means NA is equal to PA cos of theta. Again you can see P to A is F, therefore this is F cos of theta. Again, so this is the component of force which is in the direction of displacement, component of force in the direction of displacement. So work done will be, work done is equal to displacement multiply by component of force. Displacement is S, component of force is F cos theta. Therefore work done is equal to F S cos of theta. In this case also you are getting the same expression, work done is equal to F S cos of theta. So this is the expression for work done.